Oh. That's cool. Alright, good morning everybody. On our way to a little reservoir. Wasn't supposed to rain till late tonight, but as you can see it's starting to rain right now. I did not bring any rain gear, so it should be a fun morning, but either way, thank the Lord for letting me get out and fish. And hopefully turn in something. Stay tuned. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. Oh man. First fish of the day. Praise you, Lord. Oh my goodness, he nailed that. Let's get back off the bank a little bit, right where he should have been too. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's the biggest fish I've got out of here. Oh, thank you, Lord, for another fish. Woo, finally. Whew. Grass or something on there? Yeah. Another one. This one ain't so big. Still fish though. Oh goodness. Hey, calm down, buddy. Oh, I love when fish are right where they're supposed to be. Hey, a little one, but it's on the jig. Actually, yeah. Thank you, Lord. If anyone's curious, this is a Bad Boy Jig, Tennessee, I don't remember, Tennessee something. And then I'm using these little power baits from Berkeley as the trailer. And they are, when they hit it, they are smoking it. Like that one, pop, gone. Ain't no way. I just hit a crappie on that. Now that's hilarious. Okay. I've never had one hit a swim bait with an underspin on it, especially one that size. I mean, look at that. Thank you, Lord, for a little crappie. Kind of going over what I've used today. Been using this underspin. I believe it's a Berkeley. Cut that little crappie on it, and then that one bass that got off right in front of me. This isn't really the pole for it. It's probably why I lost it. I need something a little bit more stiffer, but it is what it is. It's what I had on me at the time. I only brought, you know, the 2 rods. So it is what it is. But the other bait that I got the rest of my bites on, and you've seen those, some massive ones. Well, massive for this reservoir, but it's this little Bad Boy Jig with a Berkeley trailer. But yeah, just kind of dragging along, rubbing over branches. Pretty much I come over a branch and peck, run. And that's how the 4 fish I've caught on have been. So yeah, if you have any questions about anything else, just feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Let's get back to fishing. There's another fish. No! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, the Lord is so good. Oh man. Oh. Oh man, look at that. Dude swallowed it. Oh, let's see if we can get that out. Okay, buddy, hold on. Fires. Don't really do them. I'm not very good with my hands when it's in a little hole like that. Oh man, look at that. That's a solid 2-pounder probably. Man, I wish I had a scale. I left it at work though. Man, praise you, Lord. Oh, that's awesome. And the fish that picked it up and then just put it back down. Okay. Why ain't he fighting? That was weird. That was really weird. He didn't put up a fight at all. But I'll take it. Thank you, Lord, for the little one. Buddy. He's beating. He's active now. Thank you, Lord. Whew. Oh man, he about took that out of my hand. He's not a big fella. He's just strong. Got a little weight to him. I mean, he ain't that. Whew, ow. Back to that same bank I started on. And 2. I've missed like 5, but I've got 2 in the last like 2 minutes. Thank you, Lord. Right in my face. Alright guys, we are finally back home and loaded back up, or loaded back into the house. Unload it, what do you want to call it? Great day on the water. Actually did an outro on the water. Deleted it by accident when I got home when I'm doing the editing. So it's gone forever. It is what it is. Great day though overall, quantity wise or quality wise. And quantity was there too, not compared to some of my summer trips, but it is what it is. I had good quality fish. Water visibility was not great at all. Maybe 3 inches of visibility. When I first got there and seen that, I tried a few different baits, moving baits, the underspins, baby spin baits like the little mini king, strike king. I say a lot. But yeah, you get the gist of it. But the jig like it has for the last couple months for me has produced. I'm very thankful. Thankful for a friend that showed me that, how to use it forever ago. But yeah, if you have any questions about what I use, what I'm doing, any techniques, even the fishing hole I'm at, just ask. I usually link the fishing hole I'm at in the video at the bottom where it says location. I don't care if you know where I'm at. It is what it is. I mean, everybody deserves to be able to fish. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you subscribe, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. But yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.